Alright everybody, hope y'all are having a wonderful day. So I'm just gonna jump out here on my motorcycle, head for a ride. I haven't been able to ride in a few days. Had a lot going on with work and with everything else, so just trying to get out, go for a little ride. It's nice and cool out. So it's really wanted to get out and just do a little riding. So no place in particular, but I do got something I want to talk to y'all about. So I did post a video, hadn't got a whole lot of feedback on it yet, and I'm kind of getting a little anxious and in a hurry to decide if I want to do it or not. So video I posted was, should I buy a new Harley? So I'm really looking at buying an additional Harley, and just looking at it and everything, I think that I'm kind of narrowing it down. So not in a hurry. I'm not replacing my Road Glide, so I plan on keeping the Road Glide. It's a wonderful bike. I really enjoy it. It's a really comfortable ride. What I'm looking for is potentially a bike that I can get out and just jump on it and go do some short little rides. Looking at building it out for the channel, of course, and do some work on it myself, do some things that I'm pretty good with my hands. I've done a lot of automobile work. I've done some frame off rebuilds. I'm not a painter or body man by any means, but there's some stuff you can always hire out if you need to, that's above your skill set. But you know, there's some things I'd like to do to a bike that I think would be something that would be fun. It allowed me to go do some other types of riding and stuff that and other things that I want to do, but I do believe it would be a fun project. So 3 bikes I'm looking at, again, is the first one is a Softtail Slim, and great bike, great platform. I've seen a lot of really cool builds on those. The second one is a Street Bob. Now, saying that, it's that's an awesome bike too. There's a lot of people that really like that bike. And the third one is a Lowrider S. So saying that, I will be honest, there is one that I'm leaning a lot more towards than another one. But with saying that, I don't think I could go wrong with any of them. Building out a cool bike to be able to go do things on, to be able to go do some of the things I want to do, I think would be something fun. So anyway, again, I'm just out for a little ride. I haven't been able to ride very much lately, so just gonna go do this little ride right here, and but that is the 3 bikes I'm considering. I think there's pros and cons to all of them. They're also, I'm trying to decide, do I buy a new versus buying a used. If I buy a new one, it comes with a 2-year warranty, so don't have to worry about repairs really for 2 years, just service and upkeep. And where I've been looking at buying it from, it would be a lifetime powertrain warranty. So the guys that I work with up there, they are an awesome group of guys to work with. I've looked at the bikes. I've looked at I've test rode them, so I'm really I'm really looking at one in particular that I like the best. I think I like it the best. So with saying that, you know, there's one that I like the best, but you know, I do want y'all's feedback. I do want your feedback on the motorcycles. But I think they're all great bikes. But right now I'm just going for a ride to get out the house. I think I'll end up making up my mind in the next day or two. But you know, again, right now I'm really just trying to get out and enjoy myself a little bit. We go for a nice little ride over here. And again, there's nothing wrong with this bike. It'll do everything that I want it to do. If you go off a needs versus wants, I don't even need this bike. I really enjoy it, but I don't need it.